Hey guys, so I finally received my first ever cloth and paper stationery subscription box for the month of June. And the way that it works is that if you order before the 16th of every month, they'll go ahead and ship your box out between the 19th through the 24th. But if you sign up for this subscription box after the 16th, they'll go ahead and ship it out to you between the 19th and the 24th of the next month. So that's kind of the way that it works. So I went ahead and signed up for the subscription box on the 8th. So I just made the cutoff date, so that was good. And actually, before I even placed all the orders for the half letter, I had actually signed up for this one. And with this box, I specified that I wanted it for the classic Happy Planner, which is what I was currently using. I had no idea that I was going to even place a few more orders 4 days later because I wanted to try out this box before really diving into this brand, but I don't know what happened. I just started ordering and ordering. So I had placed this order for the classic Happy Planner. So that's exactly the size that's in here. So let's go ahead and take a quick little look. So the first thing that I see is the what's inside, and I actually haven't seen an unboxing of this subscription box, so I don't want to read that. So the first thing that I see is this one. The distance between dreams and reality is called action. And so it is just a little card. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so it has two. So one is a black and the other one is more of a brownish color. Okay, so that's cute. I love these. I love that they're simple and transparent as well. So that's cute. And now let's go ahead and take a look. Ooh, I love this color. All right, so let's go ahead and take these items out and we can start looking. So bubble bath circle sticky note. I love this color. It is kind of matching the cover that I have in my half letter planner. So I love this one. And then we have Mademoiselle and mink shape sticky notes. I love the neutral colors of this. I think they're so pretty. All right, there we go. Like the hexagon is super cute. Like how pretty are these colors? I love that. And then we have Mademoiselle page flags. So let's see. And Ashley was on Instagram just kind of swatching some of the page flags as well. So these ones are more transparent. So let's see. So that's kind of the color. So like a purpley color, not too much of a pink color like this one. So there's that color that's so pretty. So we have orchid dots. And these are this purple color. How pretty is this? Okay, these would have matched really well with the Dream Seeker sticker book from the Happy Planner. I think this one is so pretty. So I love the 5-sheet stickers. And then I believe they are having, is it their 5-year anniversary? I think that's what it is, which is what this dashboard is. Just celebrating that. So how pretty is this? I love this. I can't wait to add it. And then we have this iconic dashboard as well, super neutral. What I am currently loving. So like, look at that. How pretty is this paired like that? Oh my goodness, so beautiful. And then we have this laundry guide. Okay, so that's new. Let's see what this is about. Okay. Oh, wow. This material is different. I don't know. I kind of want to say it's like a velvety kind of material. It feels like some sort of fabric. I love that. So it's blank on the back, but it's a laundry guide. Wash, dry, bleach, iron, and dry clean. How fun is that? Oh, wow. This is really pretty. I just love the look of everything that cloth and paper has to offer. So neutral, so simple. So let's see. Let's pair these two. Like, how beautiful is that? Oh my goodness. Everything is just so great. And this is a 5-year plan. Okay, let's see what this is about, because I am currently using my Classic Happy Planner as my social media planner. So let's see what this is. So an intro, questions to consider, and some tips. Ask yourself if what you're doing today is getting you closer to where you want to be tomorrow. Okay, so we have a 5-year plan, the main goal, strategy, resources, personal audit, obstacles, and then we have, let's see, personal objectives, yearly goals, monthly goals, weekly goals, and daily goals. And then we do have a vision board with dot grid here in the back. And let's see, milestones, and then a place for a date. So that's pretty cool. That would be awesome. My social media planner. Okay, so we have some more over here. So is this, okay, so professional milestones. Oh, and this one is financial. So the first one was personal, then we did professional, and now we have financial goals for the next 5 years. Okay, so I love that. And then health and fitness, no, health and lifestyle. Okay, perfect. Health and lifestyle. Okay, perfect. And then a notes page back here. So these are great pages to have and kind of map out what your 5-year plan is. I love that. Okay, so now we have new Cornell Inserts. And I believe these are like note style pages. So we have the subject on the left and then a notes section over here. And then it is just blank down here. And that's how all of these are. Okay, so these are great for some note taking. Great addition to my social media planner. And so this last piece, let's see what it says, is the July 2021 style. Oh, okay. So these are the inserts. Okay, perfect. Because they sell their inserts for the full year. So if you happen to start in July, just like I did, you would need to then purchase the whole complete year, which January through June would be not usable anymore unless you chose to redate, which is something you could do. Just cover this up and these. But if you signed up for their subscription box, every month we'll have that month in here. That way you're able to have July through December instead of buying all of the year inserts. So I love this. That way I can go ahead and try this layout in my Classic Happy Planner instead of the half letter that I'm currently using. So I love that they included this in the subscription box. I love these note pages. This 5-year plan is going to be amazing to just kind of map out where you would like to be in the next 5 years. And then of course these dashboards, they're very, very pretty. This I love. You just need to feel this. This feels really, really nice. And then this 5-year dashboard, and then these stickers. I love these page flags. This circle sticky note, I think I'm gonna need more. I love the shape of this one. And then this little set right here with the hexagon and then smaller circles. I love everything in here. I cannot wait to use everything, and I'm super excited to keep receiving this subscription box because I believe I signed up for it for the next 6 months. So I can't wait. I'm excited and I love everything about this. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.